How to sign up. First, click the link in description. Sign up with email, password, and CAPTCHA. Now verify your email. And after that, log in with your email, passwords, CAPTCHA. This is legit free BitGo interface, and how you can earn daily free spins to collect Bitcoin every hour. And how to more earn, check daily email, go to the bottom. Click here. Select CAPTCHA and spin it. Click proceed. This is again hourly roll. You can win BTC, lottery tickets, and reward point. Just focus RP reward point and BTC. Now go to the rewards. Click exchange RP to another one chance to wheel spin. And you got it. See, you won RP and proceed. Now referral link to earn fast. Your referral link and commission earned. How to withdraw in any BTC account. Select slow. Minimum withdrawal 30,000 and fee. Fees can be changed. Now time to withdraw. You need BTC wallet. I'll choose Binance. Go to the wallet and deposit. Click BTC and choose this wallet. Now copy address and paste and withdraw. Check confirmation email. Click the link and confirm. That's it. Now you have to wait for the deposit. Now you got the deposited email. Now check the Binance. Your Bitcoin is waiting for you. Thank you. Subscribe for more.